Hey students, so sorry that we had those technical difficulties today. I figured I would just let it go, even though our internet's back on, and kind of excuse you from being on Zoom, but I still want you to get the lesson from today. So first and foremost, we are starting a brand new unit. All right, so with that new unit comes all new topics, new short stories, new books. I need you guys to really focus on keeping up. I think you can do it. I think we'll be good. I think you'll really like this book that we're moving into as well. So today, what we are going to do is begin our new unit and just do a slight introduction. So our guided question for the entire unit is what should be the principles of a just society? We all have different ideas of what a just society looks like. So I really want you to focus on how you feel about it at the beginning. All right, even if you can make a note in your bell work as well about just exactly um, your feelings on what justification is, what a just society looks like. Because all of these utopian and dystopian novels that come out of this are based on ideas or ideals that certain people have and maybe hyper focus on. Okay, so our learning target for today is I can explore background information about utopian societies with the focus on the Shakers. All right, so here's your guide. We're going to look over utopia, dystopia real quick, and then I'm going to leave you alone. You're going to read a short story about the Shakers and answer the questions. All right. Last but not least, you will fill out a Google form letting me know if you want the printed book. We made ring binder printed version so you could have that to keep and write on, or you can just use a PDF online or an audiobook, or if you want a paperback book. So if you want either the printed out book or a paperback book, you will have to come to the school at some point and pick that up. All right. So here's what you basically need to know in order to complete today's lesson and just to have a decent understanding of what we're looking at. So there's two different types of perfect or ideal societies. Not really. The main perfect one is a utopia. Utopian societies are the ideas of the world is absolutely perfect. It's heaven on earth, basically. Everyone is happy, everyone is treated equally and fairly and justly. All right. Dystopia is where everything is bad or unpleasant. Now you'll find that a lot of times we have dystopias disguised as utopias. So that ties into your question for today in your bell work. It is name 3 rules. Ooh, sorry, that webcam's in the way. Name 3 rules that every society should live by. All right, and think about this. Does that rule have a positive or negative effect on society? And how can that basically snowball? So, a lot of times in our utopian ideas, um, we make sacrifices for the greater good, but is it always for the greater good? So, really consider what rules you think that everyone needs to live by. All right. So with that, I'm going to leave you alone. Follow the links, read the story, fill out the 2 questions, and you are good to go. Have a great Monday. I'll see you tomorrow.